Welcome back to part 2 of the modelling chocolate session. So I've let that sit for 10 minutes now, and you can see, I can just tip that bowl slightly, you can see that it's almost at a ganache-like consistency. Now what I'm going to do, I want that to set, but I don't want it to fully harden. Now I'm going to put that into some cling film. I've got quite a bit here, so I'm going to put it into 3 stages. I'll just give that a mix in the bowl again, and I can see that that's coming together. It is quite liquidy, but it is, like I say, it's about your ganache setting. I'm going to put an amount onto the cling. I'm going to cover it because whilst I want it to set a little, I don't want it to skin. It still feels quite warm, so it's got a way to go. But a little bit like you would do for creme pat. I'm just going to let that, flatten that down a little bit, and I'm going to let that set. It is very pliable, so that can put that over there for now. And I'll do the same until I've got it all out of the bowl. Got enough here. I'm using 3 portions as a guide for how much is there, so that's approximately going to be about 400 grams per portion. What this means is when you do this way, because you can't utilise this the day after, you'd simply pop it into the microwave for 10-15 seconds, just until it becomes pliable, and then you would knead it. Obviously, if you were to batch this up in one quantity, it means that you'd have to do that for the whole quantity every time. Okay, and one last. Now I can see as it's cooling down, it is thickening up. Let's press that down to an evenish thickness, just to allow for an even cooling. There we go. So I've got the 3 portions of dark modelling chocolate there, just cooling down. That's it for this session. So I will see you in real time in about 45 minutes to an hour once this has cooled down. But I'll see you in the next session, and I'll show you what we're going to do next.